Good morning everyone. May schedule ako ngayon sa doktor ko. So, ito na naka-ready na ang lola. Ayan ang outfit ng lola. Ayan, alis na kami. I need to put the system. The garage open, so I need to close first. Kaba na naman ako. Takot talaga ako sa doktor. So ito, kailangan ko isit. Ayan. Alis na. That's a bird sa harap ng bahay namin. Ayan. They visit our backyard. They check if it's green color already. Ayan, mga kapitbahay namin.
We're gonna do what are you using this? It doesn't.
Ayan, palakas ang ulan. Oh my god, it's raining. And that's the flood. Look. About that. If it's rainy like this, you need to be careful if you're driving.
Paycheck come when time is shut. It's I wish I had work. I wish I had work.
Okay. So I sent it to the.
She come down?
Yeah, but that's it. I was running the water over there.
Ah, that's a one?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe the engine stopped. Oh. That's a man or woman? Oh, that's a man. That's a car that it goes in here in the right side. Oh, oh, it just like very. Oh, babe, careful, babe. Be alert, please. God, my heart is beating so fast.
See, I wasn't running the damn water. See how stupid people gonna be sometimes.
Oh, yeah. They left the car. Ayan, iniwan na yung car. Ito yung nakakatakot na yung huminto yung car mo dito sa daan. Yung isang bumaba na. But they have a good Samaritan. They transfer it to the other car. Good.
Damn.
slowly, babe. Slowly only. Don't be in a hurry. Ang isang car, iniwanan na nung may-ari sa gitna ng daan. Kapapag-water. Yan talagang ano, totally talaga ano na yan. Tubig na talaga yan na mataas. Kung ang dala mo ay car lang, tulad nito, dito ka lang sa left side. But in left side, mataas na rin ang tubig. Para siyang ano, para siyang alon na talaga. Hindi mo na makita yung mga